Let's look at prime factors, and we're going to use a method called prime factorization. So usually in your textbook, you'll be asked to find the prime factors of a number by using prime factorization. So let's go ahead and review in the past, in the last video, what are factors. So factors are two numbers that we multiply together to get another number. So 3 is a factor and 4 is a factor. However, now what they want us to do is to find the prime factors, meaning they will be factors, but they have to be prime numbers. And here are a list of some of your prime numbers. You can review prime numbers in your textbook or in your homework. Okay, so how do we find the prime factors of something? Let's use the same numbers that we were doing earlier. We used 16. Now this is the traditional way. We break it down to numbers into its prime form. 4 times 4 is 16, but 4 and 4 are not prime numbers, but if we break it down some more, we realize that 2 to the 4th power, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, are the prime factors of 16. Let's find the factors of 20. Again, we just break this down into its prime form. And you notice that 5 is already a prime number, so this is 2 to the 2nd power times 5. So those are what prime factors are. But I'm going to show you another way to do prime numbers. This method will help you later on when you have to do greatest common factor and least common multiple. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the smallest prime number that can go into 16, which is 2. 2 into 16 is 8. Now you're going to look for the smallest prime number to go into 8, which is also 2. Remember, we're looking for the smallest number, which is 4. And the smallest prime number, remember, prime number, 4 is not a prime, so we have to divide it by a prime number, which is 2, which gives you 2. And then again, 2 goes into 2 2 times, and you're left with 1. Once you're at 1, you're done. So this is the shortcut method. 2 to the 4th power is our prime factors of 16. 2 to the 4th, and notice we get the same answer here. This is a much better way because, first of all, it's one linear step, whereas this could cause a lot of problems. You might forget that one of these is a prime number, and your tree might get kind of out of hand if it's a bigger number. Okay? So again, let's practice this again for 20. Again, you're going to choose the smallest prime number on the left side. So we're going to choose 2. 2 goes into 20 10 times. 2 goes in 10 5 times, and 5 goes into 5 1 time. And that's your prime. 2 to the 2nd power times 5 are your prime factors for 20. In order to check to see if your answer is correct, you can just go ahead and multiply that all out, and it should equal to 16. If it equals to 16, then it's correct. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So again, this is correct. Make sure you learn this method over this method because it'll help you in the next video when we learn greatest common factor and least common multiple.